students. Question number 14. We have two different questions. One is 2 cross 2, another one is 3 cross 2. If you remember, in matrix multiplication, we have done the properties of matrix multiplication, and among them there was a property AB is not equal to BA. If you see my previous video, it is already there. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. Matrix addition is commutative. Matrix addition is commutative. A plus B is equal to B plus A. But matrix multiplication is not commutative. AB is not at all equal to BA. In matrix multiplication, if you observe, this example is based on this property only. It is not mentioned as AB, but it is given in this format only. A, B. Now you see, B, A. Like that. A, B, B, A. So we proceed this example. I'll do the second one. You can try first one. Left hand side of second. This will be homework. Second one I'll do. Left hand side of second one. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1. 2, 3, 4. Now, we are going with the left hand side. We know matrix multiplication, row get multiplied with column. We have seen yesterday also. Row get multiplied with column. Let's multiply here. First row, first column. First row, first column. First element with first. 1 into minus 1. Plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2. First row, first column is completed. First row, second column. 1 into 1, 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2. Now, first row, third column. 1 into 0, 2 into 1 and 3 into 4. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Once the columns are completed, go to the next. Now हम second row, second row, first column को multiply करेंगे. First element with first. 0 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1. First with first, second with second. 1 into 0. Now plus 0 into 2. केयरफुल से देखना है हमको. फर्स्ट रो को हमने पहले तीनों कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई किया. कॉलम्स कंप्लीट हो गए. हम सेकेंड रो पे आ गए. सेकेंड रो, फर्स्ट कॉलम. फर्स्ट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड विथ फर्स्ट. सेकेंड शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड विथ सेकेंड. थर्ड शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड विथ. नाउ मूविंग फर्दर. सेकेंड रो, सेकेंड कॉलम. 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 3. Now, second row, third column. 0 into 0, 1 into 1. Now, 0 into 4. Now, moving further. Third row, first column. 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 2. Now 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 3. Now 1 into 0, first third row, third column, plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 4. Now 1 into minus 1, 2 into 0, 3 into 2. 1 into 1, 2 into plus into minus minus, 2 into 1, 2 plus 9, 1 into 0, 2 into 1, 3 into 4, 0 into minus 1, 1 into 0, 0 into 2, 0 into 1, 1 into minus 1, 0 into 3, 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 4. Lastly, 1 into minus 1, 1 into 0, 0 into 2, 1 into 1, 1 into minus 1, 0 into 3, 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 4. Now, simplification we will do. 6 minus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 minus 2, 8, 2 plus 12, 14, 0, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 1 cancel, all the elements zeros, 0 plus 1 plus 3. In exam, if your simplification is fast, without writing the system, you can write the system. The correction will be done here. Such questions will be of 3 marks. If 5 answers are correct, you will get 1 mark. If 7 answers are correct, you will get 2 marks. If all 9 answers are correct, you will get 3 marks. Very important. Without writing the system in exam, you can write the system directly. If your simplification is not fast, then don't try the system. You can go with this. You will have enough time in exam. This is how it is done. Now moving to the right hand side. I'll write right hand side first. Minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now, row gets multiplied with column. Minus 1 into 1, 1 into 0, plus 0 into 1. First row, first column. Now first row, second column. Minus 1 into 2, plus 1 into 1, plus 0 into 1. Now, first row, third column, minus 1 into 3, plus 1 into 0, plus 0 into 0. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Now, moving to the second row. Second row, first column, 0 into 1. First with first. Second with second, now third with third. Now first, second row, second column, 0 into 2, minus 1 into 1, now plus 1 into 1. First row, sorry, second row, second column. Now second row, third column, 0 into 3, minus 1 into 0, 1 into 0. Second row, third column. Now lastly we will move. Once the columns are completed, we have to move to the next row. Next row is the third last one. 2 into 1, 3 into 0, plus 4 into 1. Now 2 into 2. Now 3 into 1. 4 into 1. Now third row, third column. 2 into 3. 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0. Now, moving further. Simplification we do minus 1 into 1, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Minus 1 into 2, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1. Minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 0, 0 into 0. 0 into 1 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1. 0 into 2 minus 1 plus 1. 0 minus 0 plus 0. 2, 0, 4, 4, 3, 4, 6, 0, 0. Now I will write the last step. Minus 1 plus 0, 0. Minus 1. 1 minus 2, minus 1. Minus 3 plus 0, 0. Now 0 minus 1 plus 0 minus 0 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, the remaining is 0. Remaining is 0. 2 plus 4, 6. 8 plus 3, 11. Now 6 plus 0 plus 0. This is how the answer is stands. Now you see both the answers. A into B is not equal to B into A. Not at all equal. This is the earlier step I am doing it. Now next question, question number 15. We need to find a square minus 5a plus 6i if the matrix A is given. Now you see, very simple question. We have done multiplication. A square we need to find first. We need answer of this equation. A we know. I is the identity matrix. I is the identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. If you see the very first class or maybe second class, identity matrix definition there is present in my video. Now moving to A square. To find A square, we need A into A. We cannot write A square, 2 square, 4, 0 square, 1, 1 square, 1, 3 square, 9 square. We cannot write. If we need A square, we have to multiply A with A. Now we'll write A with A. 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Now 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. Multiplying row with column. Multiplying row with column. First row, first column. 2 into 2, 4 plus 0 into 2, 0. 1 into 1. Row get multiplied with column. First with first, 2 into 2, 4. 0 into 2, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Now, first row, second column, same method. First with first, 2 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into minus 1, plus 1 into minus 1. Now moving to the third column, 2 into 1, 2, plus 0 into 3, 0, plus 1 into 0, 0. Columns are completed. We will move to the next row. अब next row है हमारा second row. फिर वैसे ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम second row, first column, second column, third column. पहला एलिमेंट पहले एलिमेंट से ही मल्टीप्लाई होगा. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 1, 3. Now 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1, 3 into minus 1. Now 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Now third row, first column, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, minus 1 into 2, 0 into 1. Now 1 into 0, minus 1 into 1, 0 into minus 1. Now moving further, 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3, 0 into 0. Now final answer we will write here for a square. 4 plus 1, 5. 0, 0 minus 1. 2 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3. 1 minus 3, minus 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 0. Minus 1. 1 minus 3. Now, we got a square. We need 5 into 8. Don't bother about this minus. It will come in simplification. 5 into 8. I'll write 5 into 8. 5 into 8. Or directly we can put in equation also. That will become more easier. Or you can say it will take less number of steps. A square minus 5a plus 6i. A square 2, 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Now I'll keep this minus 5 outside. I'll keep this minus 5 outside. I'll write a 2, 0, 1. 2, 1, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. I'll write this plus 6 outside only. I'll write first I. What is I? 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1. हमको चाहिए a स्क्वायर. हमने a स्क्वायर मालूम किया. अब हम इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे जो मल्टीपल है यहाँ a के साथ 5 है मल्टीप्लाई, उसको बाहर ही रख दिए. I के साथ 6 है, उसको भी बाहर रख दिए. Now we will simplify this. You see the simplification. 5 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 2, 5. 0 minus 1 minus 2. Now I'll keep minus outside. I'll take it this 5 inside. तो ये जो 5 है ये सारे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. माइनस तो बाहर ही रखना है. अगर माइनस अंदर लेंगे तो बाहर प्लस लेना पड़ेगा. इसीलिए हम क्या करेंगे, माइनस को बाहर ही रखेंगे, 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 5 into 2, 5 into 0, 5 into 1. 5 into 2, 5 into 1, 5 into 3. 5 into 1, 5 into minus 1, 5 into 0. Plus 6 into 1, 6 into 0, 6 into 0. 6 into 0, 6 into 1, 6 into 0. 6 into 0, 6 into 0, 6 into 1. Now 5 minus, what is the first element? 10. What is the first element? 6. Or directly you can write simplification. 5 minus 10 minus 5 minus 5 plus 6 1. Directly you can write. But no need to go by hurry. Go slowly. Minus 1 second element, minus 0 second element. Second element is third 2 minus into 5 minus 5 plus third element. First row is completed. Going to the second row. Second row, first element 9. First element minus into plus 10. First element 0. Now second element minus 2. Second element is plus 5. Here it is minus. Plus into minus minus 5. Plus 6. Moving further, 5 minus 15 plus 0. Now 0 minus 5 plus 0. Now minus 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 plus into 0. Now last minus 2 minus into 0 plus 6. Simplification will give us 5 plus 6 11. 11 minus 10 minus 1 minus 0 plus 0. 2 minus 5. 9 minus 10. Minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 plus 6 minus 1. 5 minus 10. 5 minus 15 minus 10. Minus 5 plus 0 0. 5 minus 1. 6 minus 2. 4. How it stands. We need value of a square minus 5h plus 6i. हमने पहले a square मालूम किया, a square को इक्वेशन में पुट कर दिया, माइनस को बाहर ही रखे और 5 को अंदर ले लिया. यहाँ तो प्लस 6 को अंदर ले लिया. It should get all the elements multiplied by simplification. We got this answer. So it has appeared on 3 marks. Very important example. All these examples. Stop the class, and before going to complete the class, let me tell you again, subscribe our channel, get the latest videos of all the classes, not only QC, even LKG to 10, free for everyone. Thank you very much.